Make your shopping list quickly using ListNow. Click on any of the 4 categories. We have eatables, kitchen items, household and personal care. Click on Add button and now select the subcategory. Select the item that you want to buy. Click on Save. Similarly, you can tap on all the other items. Now go back to home screen. Here you get your created shopping list. On long pressing the item, you can even edit the quantity or delete it. After getting ready with your shopping list, you can go for shopping. Now, once you buy the item, click on it. It would get added to your basket. Similarly, you can tap on all other items. Click on the basket menu to view my basket, having all the purchased items. Finally, you can clear the list from the menu and start again for next shopping. Thanks for watching it. Please share the ListNow app.